Hi there, my name is An, I work with Creaform, and in this video I will show you how and when to use the Defeature tool inside of VXmodel. So let's get started. Think of the Defeature tool as your magic eraser. You can easily make a selection and remove any surface imperfection, or in this case we have a serial number that we'd like to get rid of. So it's a combination of the delete and fill hole function all in one package. As you can see, we had completely removed the serial number and blended in with the surrounding area for a smooth finish. Let's take a look at a second example. Here, I have a hole that I would like to fill in, and I'm going to use a brush to make my selection. When I zoom in, you can see that there are some unselected patches within the area. I will refer to these as voids, and Defeature doesn't like voids very much, so what I will get is an error. To fix this, you can simply click on the grow selection a few times and make sure that everything is fully covered before clicking on the Defeature icon one more time. And voila, look at that! The hole has been filled in and blended with the surrounding area. In the last example, I will be removing this divider. I will use my brush one more time, but this time I will have the select through option checked on. And the last step here will be to click on the Defeature icon. So there you have it. Whether you are removing a feature on the part or a surface imperfection as a result of another post-processing step, the Defeature tool will serve as your magic eraser. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is An with Creaform, and please remember to like and subscribe for future videos.